All right, so it's been about a week since dropping the motor or engine, whatever you want to call it, out of the 72 VW. I'm gonna drop the gas tank today for sure. Just gonna look at it. Probably just gonna get a new one anyway. Just in the past, I'm dealing with gas tanks usually most of the time. They need to be replaced anyway. And I'm not sure if there's crap in there or not, but I'll give it a look anyway. I think I'm gonna have a dumpster here today. I'm gonna pretty much strip the interior down, everything out of it, and just get it stripped down to probably just the insulation in there. Pressure wash it probably, and just start getting a little less trash in here and just old crap. But yeah, just get a more of a clean environment going with it. But yeah, so let's drop that gas tank. Let's do it. So I don't know if I undid these or they're already undone. Maybe dropping the motor, something was also hooked up to these, or maybe someone undid them. I don't know, but they were already undone. So that works out. Some ventilation lines here. A lot of just cactus in here too. A lot of rat shit throughout this whole thing. Dropping the motor, taking it apart. Probably gain some new diseases in the process. Okay. See, I mean, there's cactus all up in here. Alright, so I'm just gonna hook this wire that's grounding that, just so nothing's tugging on it. So much cactus, I do not want to put my hand in there. Please. God. Look at all this cactus.
Oh my God.
All behind there.
Ew.
And it's not like it's got nothing on it. I mean, it's got... Yeah, it's cactus. It's got thorns on it, obviously. But as you can see, the clamps undone there. These were already undone, so someone must have was gonna drop this. So I'm thinking, I don't really want to put my hand in there, but you know what, maybe I'll put a glove on or something. Oh, freaking cactus. I was forgetting one thing. So, and I was looking for this too. So this is the electronic fuel pump that apparently a lot of guys will put on these, because I was looking for the fuel pump, taking apart the motor. This one plate I took off of the motor is actually where the fuel pump goes. But when the fuel pump goes bad, the guys will cover it up, or whoever, and then they'll put on this electronic one. And then just block off where the original is. And so this is what's holding us up here. As you can see, this was a home at one point for somebody who hopefully isn't there anymore. But look at that paint. That's all I gotta say about this. I mean, a lot of the paint just is great that was, you know, covered up all the years. I mean, look at, I know I keep talking about the cactus, but I mean, damn. It is so I mean, that's all just cactus. I mean, oh my God. I mean, oh my God. Oh. I was getting too comfortable. Whew. Got one good. Got a good one in my finger. Got a lot out. But I think I might move on to vacuum and just vacuum it and then pull them off the vacuum. All right, got it out in the sunlight. Just got the dumpster here, dump trailer. So yeah, then on to just pressure washing and should be pretty freaking clean after that. But yeah, still a bit. So after probably, feels like an hour or two, 2 hours of just spraying, it's pretty good. Not bad.